Good morning. You know what today is?
Here's spring present.
Let's go see if he brought you presents.
Sure hope you were a good girl.
Yay! Yay!
I hope you were good.
Yay! Ah! What present? And here. That present, that present. What is that one?
Hey,
Wait, let's see. I don't know if that one's for you or Kate or Claire, or Coley. We gotta
Just
read.
yours?
Maybe. Let's see.
This yours, Paul? Where's mine?
I don't know. Let's look and see.
Man, it says full bed.
Oh, that's big.
What is God in there?
Well, let's find out. Let's see. Coley, let's bring the presents in. Oh, okay.
What? This? What? This? Man. Santa Claus bring toys. Bring this.
What is it? Daddy, help her unwrap that gold thing around there.
How do you see it?
It just goes around and around.
Which one has presents?
There's a little person.
sorry, babe. Not sure what Santa Claus is doing here.
Okay. Go ahead and take a look.
What? Aw. I
What?
have one.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have Pokemon and Santa Claus bring me a new one.
Wowee. You must have been a good girl.
Oh,
Hi,
there's some flags.
Quapper. Hi, Quapper. Hi, Quapper.
Do you like it?
Car. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.